Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a soup bread bowl. First, select a round, crusty bread loaf, ideally 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Sourdough or rye bread are excellent choices because their sturdy crusts hold up well to soup. Make sure your bread is fresh. This ensures a delicious texture and prevents it from becoming soggy too quickly. A good quality loaf is key to a successful and enjoyable bread bowl experience. Next, let's prepare your bread. With a serrated knife, carefully cut a circle on the top of the loaf, creating a lid. Be sure to leave about a 1-inch border around the edge to maintain the bowl's structure. Then, gently scoop out the soft interior bread, leaving a thick, sturdy shell. You can save the scooped-out bread for croutons or breadcrumbs, so nothing goes to waste. Now for a crucial step. Toasting. Lightly toast your hollowed bread bowl and its lid in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. This creates a protective barrier, preventing the bread from becoming soggy too quickly when filled with soup. Once lightly toasted, carefully pour your favorite hot soup directly into the warm, prepared bread bowl. It's almost ready to enjoy. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your creation. Present the soup bread bowl immediately, perhaps with the toasted bread lid placed alongside. The beauty of this dish is that the entire bowl is edible. You can simply tear off pieces of the bread as you savor your soup. This easy method delivers a delightful and comforting meal that's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy every last bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.